welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to add send message button on your Facebook page. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your Facebook and switch to your page which you want to add send message button in your WhatsApp. After that, you have to click on your Facebook page. After that, you have to click on this three dots at the here. You can see you have to click on this three dots. After that, here you will see an option view. As you have to click on this view, here you can see there is no option to send message on WhatsApp. Now go back, and here you have to select, here you have to click on add action button. Here you can see you have to click on this add action button. After that, click on buttons. Now here you have to click on select send message button, send message on WhatsApp. Now select this button and click on save button at the bottom. Now here you can see this button has been added in your Facebook. Now here you can see this button has been added in your Facebook page. Now here you can see like and send message on WhatsApp. In this way you can add send message button on WhatsApp. In this way you can add send message button on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.